Hey everybody, Daredevil25. You can't see me because I'm behind camera on my phone, but I'm in the barn. Maybe I can flip this around. Hi, I'm in the barn right now doing my chores, and my sheep are looking at me the weirdest way. And maybe you don't want to see this, maybe you don't, maybe you do, but it's lambing season for us. So somebody over here just lambed. So not sure if Yellow 19 won't mind, so let's go over here. Say hi. Oh, come on, Penny. Be a little bit better than that. What? You gonna say hi to the camera? Say hi to the camera. Love you too. I'm gonna censor that out. Aw, cute little baby. And then we got a few other ones over here. These guys are a little bit more grown. Definitely more grown. These are the rest of the guys that are going to be lambing this season. There's some more over there in the jugs. Stop chewing that! No! No! That's not meant for you to be chewing. Hi. Can I say hi to the camera?